Our bathroom, when we first moved in 5 years ago, was horrific. It was what's the opposite of the selling point of the house? It was awful. It was an internal bathroom, it had no external windows, and it was blue. The vanities, the shower, it was blue and it was rotten and it smelt and it was disgusting. We finally found RenoMasters, which was an absolute godsend because they came in and did everything that we couldn't do. Working with RenoMasters from the beginning, from meeting the team in the very beginning to working through the process with them to getting our finished bathroom, has been incredible. You ring the office and talk to Lynette and she's so helpful and lovely. The builders, their team, RenoMasters team, they're just good young men who come in and they respect your property, they speak to you respectfully. They're just good humans. From even the contractors they brought in, we had worked with plumbers and a floor layer. We just haven't had to deal with a bad person, so it's been incredible. I think the thing that really stands out for me with RenoMasters is they're just so helpful. They just want to help you. They want to make it easy for you. They want to make your life better, and they seem to bend over backwards to make that happen. And I haven't come across a company that has done that quite to that extent before. The bathroom really was a huge stress for us. It was actually keeping us up at night. It was awful. So having RenoMasters come in and take that stress away was absolutely priceless. They came in, talked to us, found out what we needed to do. We agreed on what was going to be done, and they just did it. They just took all the worry and the stress away, and what we've ended up with is a really beautifully finished bathroom. It's really cool.